Whether you work at an office or you work at home, one of the best things you could do for your productivity is to create a dedicated workstation for your laptop. And it really starts with this product right here. It's a new one from Kensington. It's their universal laptop riser. And it allows you to fit your laptop up to 16 inches or 17.6 pounds on this. It's adjustable, and it really is much better than those old Amazon boxes that you're using for your laptop. So without further ado, let's go ahead and review this new Kensington Universal Laptop Riser. Let's see what's inside. So it looks like it's a pretty simple setup. I think what we'll do now is proceed to actually install it to show you how you can get it up and running. And here it is all put together, folks. Just a fabulous high-rising laptop stand. Let me just show you how you adjust it. There are two ways to adjust it. One, you can adjust the height on the back. So if you want a little bit lower, you can do that. Find the spot and then tighten it. The other one is this lever over here, which allows you to find a good angle, and then you just basically tighten it right up. And then it will stay in that place. This can swivel as around as well if you need to move it, say during video calls or whatnot. You do have a lot of flexibility. So both the height, swiveling in all different types of directions. There's a lot to like about this, but let's try it out now with an actual laptop and see how it looks and feels. What I love about this is that you have all that flexibility. So you can adjust, get the perfect angle, but I could also, if I want to, drop it. Tighten it up, swivel, get your perfect angle, everything. This is a must-have for your home workstation. And then you can grab a separate keyboard, have a mouse pad, basically create a workstation at home. And then when you have to go, you just grab your laptop and take it with you wherever you go. And then when you come back home, you come back and plug everything back in. Well, I hope you enjoyed this review of this laptop riser from Kensington. Like I said, it is much better than those old Amazon boxes that you're using to create a stand for your laptop. It's just going to increase your productivity if you have a really good, efficient, clean, nice setup workstation at home or at the office. And like I said, it really starts with raising your laptop up so you can have all the other accessories that you need. If you look at my workstation at home, you know, it's really up to a level I've never seen it before, but it has definitely increased my productivity. Once again, be sure to like my YouTube channel at Handy Andy Media is how you can find it on YouTube. Make sure you like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to be productive at home or at the office. I'm Andy Baryer, Handy Andy, signing out. We'll see you again in the next video.